double increase is worked in the same way as for a single increase, but instead of working 2 stitches into 1 stitch, you will work 3. In this way, the row will have 2 more stitches than the previous row. The double increase is often used for the corners of granny squares and also to make designs like clusters, or when you need to make a more pronounced widening. You can make a double increase in any type of stitch. In this example, we show you how to make a double increase in double crochet. Work a double crochet into the stitch indicated in the pattern as shown in the video how to double crochet. Work another double crochet by inserting the hook into the same stitch that you worked the previous double crochet. Work a third double crochet into the same stitch. As you can see, there are now 3 stitches in 1 stitch. Once you have worked the double increase, continue working as indicated in the pattern.